Welcome back to the final leg of our Naples journey. In part 3, we leave the ancient streets behind to explore the city from its highest peaks and its deepest shadows. Our ascent begins on one of the city's historic funiculars, a daily commute for locals that feels like a ride into the sky. We step out into Vomero, an elegant hilltop district defined by wide, tree-lined avenues and stunning Liberty-style architecture. At the very top sits Castel Sant'Elmo, a colossal star-shaped fortress that has watched over Naples since the 14th century. Walking along its ancient ramparts, you feel the sheer scale and history of this impregnable stronghold. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. From up here, the chaos of the city makes perfect sense. You can clearly see Napoli slicing through the ancient center we explored earlier. Just below us is the magnificent Certosa di San Martino, a masterpiece of Neapolitan Baroque art and history. To return to the center, we take the Pedamentina, a historic stairway offering quiet, breathtaking views at every turn. From the highest heights, we now descend into the darkest depths. Welcome to Napoli Sotterranea, the Naples Underground. 40 meters below the bustling streets lies a labyrinth of ancient aqueducts and caves carved from the yellow tufa stone. Navigating these narrow, candlelit passages feels like stepping back in time to the Greek origins of Neapolis. These caverns served as the city's water supply for centuries and later as vital bomb shelters during World War II. We even discover parts of a Roman theater hidden directly beneath modern apartment buildings. It's a city built upon itself. Emerging back into the sunlight, the vibrant chaos of Naples feels even more miraculous. We catch our breath in the monumental Piazza Dante, a grand space dedicated to Italy's greatest poet. Passing through the historic Portalba, the scent of old books and fresh pizza fills the air once again. We stop at Piazza Bellini, where students and artists gather around ancient Greek walls right in the center of the square. It's the perfect place for an aperitivo, a toast to a city that is unapologetically raw, beautiful, and alive. As evening falls, the streets come alive with the sound of traditional folk music, the true heartbeat of Napoli. The grand monuments we saw in part 1 take on a new, dramatic majesty under the night sky. Castel Nuovo stands illuminated, a powerful reminder of the kings and queens who shaped this land. Down by the sea, the lungomare is quiet, save for the sound of the waves and the murmur of evening strolls. Naples is a city of contrasts, of heights and depths, chaos and beauty. It's a place that stays with you forever. Thank you for joining us on this 3-part journey through the soul of Italy. Arrivederci. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.